Hey guys! It's Jello. Welcome to my channel. Since 2017 pa, ang dami-dami na nagre-request sa akin to start a vlog. At first, hesitant pa ako kasi I'm a very talkative person pero I'm a camera shy. Hindi ako sanay magsalita in front of the camera. And this month, I am celebrating my 10th year anniversary in the beauty industry. At naisip ko, why not to start a YouTube channel as a celebration for the 10th year anniversary of Beauty by Jello? And as a gift to everyone, for today's video, I am creating one of my favorite makeup looks. If you guys don't follow me on my social media, my account is at Beauty by Jello for my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and Beauty by Jello on Facebook page. So if you guys want to try this technique and know how I achieve this makeup look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial and keep on watching. Okay, let's start with a clean face. For skin prep, I'm gonna be using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel as a moisturizer. Followed by the primer. For this one, I'm using the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer in Radiance. I'm gonna apply it all over her skin and massaging it in to make her skin ready for foundation. For foundation, I'm taking one of my favorites that I haven't used in a while. It's the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I love this foundation. It's full coverage but doesn't feel heavy on skin. And I'm gonna be applying that all over her face and neck in a thin layer, building it up using my Zoeva 102 brush. Next, I'm gonna be taking the Temp 2 silicone-based concealer wheel. And I'm using a lighter shade for this one to highlight and leave her under eye area. Applying it using a Zoeva 142 concealer buffer brush. And then blending it with a beauty sponge. Next, I'm taking my RCMA No Color powder to set the under eyes. And then, setting the rest of the face and neck using my Inglot pressed powder. For eyebrows, I love using a powder formula. So for this one, I'm taking my BYS Brow Definition Kit. Model has great brows, she has great shapes, so I'm just gonna fill in any gaps. Then, setting it and brushing her eyebrows up using my Maybelline Fashion Brow Mascara. And then, K-palette to make her brows look feathery. And finally, cleaning and carving it out using the same concealer I used in her under eyes. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette by Fenty Beauty. For the crease, I'm going in with the shade Come and Get Me as a transition color, blending it using my Zoeva 227 brush. And using a smaller blending brush, I'm taking the shade Nuts and Dates to define the outer V even more. And softly start using circular motion to blend the edges. For the lid, I'm using the Crayolan Supra Color and taking the white cream in the shade number 12. And then, blending all the edges. And finally, setting that with the shade Moroccan Ice from the Fenty Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. For that black sharp wing, I'm using the Pop Studio Cosmetics Duo Eyeliner. For the lower lash line, I'm taking my MAC single eyeshadow in the shade Carbon. And smoking that out with a dark brown shade called Hennessy from the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette. Now it's time to remove all the excess powder. Next, I'm using the Shuyumura eyelash curler to curl the lashes. And then, coating the lashes with the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Time to wrap up these eyes with false eyelashes. Finally, for the eyes, highlighting the inner corner and the brow bone with the Balm Mary Luminizer. For the nose contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm blending it using my Zoeva 228 Crease Brush. Next is contouring the face. The main areas you should be applying the darker product is just slightly under your cheekbones, around your forehead, and along your jawline. For the cheeks, I'm using the NARS blush in the shade Deep Throat. And then blending it with a pressed powder. For the highlighter, I'm using my favorite Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. For the lips, I'm using my NARS Limited Edition 7 Deadly Sins Sleep Palette. I'm actually mixing two colors for this one. For the outer part of the lips is the shade Grid, and for the inner part is the shade Pride. For the lip gloss, I'm using my favorite Fenty Beauty in the shade Fenty Glow. And lastly, to seal the deal, I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus to set everything in place. And here's the final look. If you want to see more makeup tutorial in the future, please comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.